Alrighty guys, so for this one we want to do a factoring on this binomial, and to do this we're actually going to do a little trick or a hint or a shortcut. You call it it's called the difference of squares. And the difference of squares works like this. If you have two terms that are being subtracted, if this one is squared, the whole term, if the whole term is squared on the other one, then you don't have to do the whole diamond method and all that crazy stuff. All you gotta know is that then actually my factors are gonna look like this: a plus b, and the other one would be a minus b, and that's it. Using that rule, it's gonna make everything a lot easier, because look at this. I can actually make, remember, the x is already squared, but you want the whole thing to be squared. So what can you do? You can actually put a 2x to the second power. Isn't it the same thing as 4x squared? Yeah, because 2x times 2x is this. So same thing on the other one, minus. Well, that y is already squared, and the 49, you can square it by saying 7y to the second power. So you realize, hey, I think I found my a, it's all of this. I think I found my b, it's all of this. So if I use the little shortcut, the little formula, my factors are basically 2x plus b, 2x, a is 2x, plus b, which is 7y. And the other one, it would be 2x for my a, minus 7y for my b. And if you were to do FOIL, you would get the same thing over here. Another example, guys, for this one, you can do the same thing, but you can actually play it smarter by doing one more step before all that crazy stuff. Look at the 45. Oops, sorry about that. Look at the 45 and look at the 125. Couldn't we take something out of it first before all that crazy stuff? Couldn't we take out a 5 before we start moving everything? Look, when you took out a 45, we're left with a 9x squared. When you take out a 5 from 125, let's grab a calculator. 125 divided by 5, that's actually 25. And now we can focus on the inside. So don't forget to, at the end of the day, your answer is going to have a 5 outside, but let's not worry about that right now. So let's turn, the 5 is going to be by itself. We can turn that 9, and actually let's use brackets, so we know we're focusing on the inside now. For my a, well, can we make the 9 squared? That will be 3x. Let's use blue. And this is going to be squared. Minus, what's going to be my number over here? Could I make it into a, there's no letter here, no variable, so we can just call it a 5 squared. You see how easy that was? And now we know this is our a. We know this is our b. So the formula states, well, it will be a plus b, a minus b. So it will be 3x plus 5, 3x minus 5. Like the formula says up here. A plus b, a minus b. And finally, do not forget about the 5 you took out. That's going to go, sorry about that. Where is it? That's going to go, there it is. Do not forget about the 5 you took out. That's going to go on the outside. And that's your final answer.